Hi, I'm RJ, and today on RJ's Homestyle, I'm going to show you a clever decor piece for your holiday table using these from the Dollar Tree. Stay tuned. Welcome back, stylers. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new here, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Today I have for you a very simple but very useful decor piece for your holiday tables. It is a napkin holder. Yep, that's it. It's just a simple little napkin holder. But it's festive and will look cute on your table. It serves a great purpose. It will hold those napkins that your guests will need to wipe your food from their fingers. If you'd like to make one of these, you will need 3 of these Dollar Tree door ornaments. Take all 3 of those ornaments and simply remove the jute. Now paint the reverse side of those ornaments in the color of your choosing, and on one of them, remove this wreath. Just pull it off. That one piece will now become your base. Now after you've done that and they're painted, just simply take all 3 pieces and using your glue gun, attach your 2 sides. It's that simple. After that, you will have 2 holes on each ornament. That's where the jute came from. And you can cover those with anything of your choosing. I chose the white sticker snowflakes for the base on mine, and then I chose a little bit of greenery for the 2 that were on my side pieces. You could also use those tiny bells that they sell. Those would be cute as well. It's perfectly sized. It will hold the Dollar Tree version of the guest towel. It will also hold any standard size napkin, as you can see here. I hope you like this, and I hope you decide to make one of your own. And if you make something a little bit different than this, I'd like to see that. And you could let me know by telling me in the comments section below. Thank you for joining me today, and happy holidays, everyone. I hope to see you soon.